just washed it, ordered it for you. Those things need the actual. How are you?
First visit is
Thank you very much for the morning exercise.
Assistant, most people don't even seem to notice.
The ban may seem only a small step, but in fact, it has already cut plastic pollution substantially in Kenya. Equally important has been its positive effect on public opinion. What the ban has held is proof that we do not have to give in to pollution. Public action can make a difference. If citizens can work with their governments to end such ubiquitous source of pollution, then they can move even on to bigger, more demanding targets.